Kubor nakaslab jong unongsan hima.
Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya, uba Ernest Maury, hanya kesengi ke Sautrik ulber arjar arpuai, habai keren bat kinung tok kubor, ulai yatu, ba nakaleng jong kaseng, kan yai budin iki kambam sap ha kejelah, kamtam, hapo ka GHADC, bat JHADC. Ulai yaturu ba nakaleng jong sarkar pedeng, kan sapa ya ke kenhun tokit, sya kejelah, banti benya ya ke kambam sap, namar kaseng kalade ban IT ya kikot kislah, sya kinong elam jong kaseng. Shushu wala ban rabru da kabaong, ba habai day badi kambam sap, kaseng kan yai persya ya ka. Ula ongru ba ha kejing ya kendu ya kinong elam jong kaseng sya Delhi, kila yatu syaki ba shibun kejing duko kamtami kiskim penroy, kiba sorkar pedeng kalathe sya kejela Meghalaya. Habai day bet kal election siteng samoy ha maurang keneng konstituensi nakaleng presiden kaseng uba Ernest Maury wala itu ba kaseng kadang ap ya kejing penbena ya katarik na ka election commission jong kari India. But hadin kani kinsa shim ya karai.
This personal statement. Actually, I'm elected in front of everybody, and it is the decision of the party. And this is the procedure where they elect the president, not only in Meghalaya, throughout the state in India. So I don't think that is manipulated, because my presidency has been declared by the observer and the chief election conduct from Delhi. The Lokayata has given some direction already to the state government to do the needful. And last time also when I went down to Delhi, when I met the concerned authority, some type of inspection will come. I can say, yeah, from center.
The center will depute a team to
Yes.
inspect.
Yes.
Which are the areas they will inspect, call and...
You see, let them come. They will ask the document and proof, because we have only submitted the RTI, like I will highlight before also, RTI copy which we received from the concerned department, from the concerned council, we have already submitted to them, supplied to them for the commission.
This is regarding district council issue.
Yes.
But what about the call?
Coal, you know, every day you have seen truck met an accident, people suffer. Just 2 weeks back, one truck met an accident in Madarting, which shocked out the traffic the whole Shillong. So let the people also say something. And notice which will hamper the state welfare, definitely will resolve the issue. That's clear.
Kat ni juga no gubur. People manage corruption. Kalau BJP kan person ni lebih, kalau tu orang resolve itu issues tu. Kalau kan BJP kan person ni siapa lagi election melawan.
Ya, ke isu ke bagi lah, tinggal pandai bagi lah resolve. Mata segi resolve ya ke organization mata. How to strengthen the party. Andai ngaripit ya ke ju, radon kino kidu corruption issue, ki bakta ya ke state, kum ke party ngin ya penpau, ni persiap ya kata. Kejumut ni resolve kemud with the party activities, not with the corruption issues.
Okay, kalau isu ini baik betul sudah dan dekat jangan pik bagi BJP, BJP ni kamu nak kamu sampai kita isu ni, kita ke alleged corruption kita against BJP.
Kat kum ga jingtip ko jonga habang ya keduk ya kidong yalam apo Delhi kila ai ke instruction ya ke ai ke bagi bende pi kamla manong ke kita ngan le nomor kum wala kren du in charge ngi u chuao ha we dei bat shibon ki central scheme ru nomor u tu wan na po na bar state de tip ha ande ni na po ka state ni tip ka don shibon jing ko tengila pen tip ki bat ki sa ai ka direction kumlo bagi dia implement hak wede bagi central scheme kamtam nomor kidi time bound project
habai dei bat kani kamaurang kenang seat kai kejing keran ko party
kumbolong ni haduk menta ya ke by election jong kemaur kenang seat impat ikran ai namar ba nakaliang jong ka election commission ru ki 4 pentip lalu kan don election kapor ka sabatai